welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you
tilapia
in 3 chili sauce. It comes out so delicious that I know you guys are going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have vegetable oil, butter, cloves, black pepper, cumin, pink Himalaya salt, thyme, onion, green onion, tomatoes, California chili pots, guajillo chili pots, pasillas chili pots, and of course our tilapias. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and delicious fish in 3 chilies. So let's get started.
I want to start first with my tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead, take them to the sink, and I am going to rinse them very good. This part is very important. Once you rinse your tomatoes, okay, I have my garlic cloves here. Let's go to the stove. I have my skillet nice and hot, and I am going to add the tomatoes and the garlic cloves. And now I am ready to continue. I am ready with my molcajete. I am going to add all the spices in here, and I am going to start smashing everything, making sure that everything is incorporated. This part is very important. I know that it takes time, but you know something, this dish is going to come out amazing. Once the garlic cloves are nice and charted, I am going to remove them, and I am going to add it to the spices. I'm going to add them in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and smash them really good. It's going to turn into a little paste. Once everything is really incorporated, you're going to see that it's going to become a little bit a paste. Once this is done, I'm just going to add a little bit of water, removing everything from the molcajete, from the sides of the molcajete. Look at this. This really smells amazing. All the spices together, really amazing. Here, I am ready to spoon it out, put it in this plate. And of course, once this is done, I am ready to reserve it. Let's go to the stove. I'm going to go ahead and start adding all the chilies in here. I'm going to roast them really good. On the side, I have a pan with very hot water. And once the chilies are nice and toasted, be careful because they could burn very easily. And that's exactly what you don't want. Once they start releasing the aroma of the chilies, it's time to remove them. Okay, I am going to put them in the hot water, let them hydrate, and I'm going to continue by adding all the tomatoes in here into my blender cup, adding the liquid and the chilies, and I'm going to blend away for 5 minutes. I have the tilapias here. I am going to just add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and that's everything you need to add to your tilapias. In the sauce, you have all those amazing flavors. Look at this. Just add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. In this pan, I'm adding just a little bit of oil. I'm adding the butter. I'm gonna wait until it melts completely and they both incorporate really good. Once it starts bubbling and everything, the butter is nice and melted, and it has incorporated completely with the oil. That's when you are going to add the delicious and amazing sauce. And it really doesn't take too long. Once it's nice and bubbling, now it's time to add the amazing sauce in here. I'm adding the sauce, adding all the spices, and now just incorporate it. Now I am going to taste it to see if it needs just a little bit of salt. To my tasting, this came out amazing. Now I'm ready to put the tilapia piece by piece, making sure that they get covered completely in this amazing 3 chile sauce. Look at this. You know that the tilapia cooks very fast. You are going to cook it just for 5 minutes, no more than that. 5 minutes, it's more than enough. I'm gonna add the onion, the scallions, right on the top. And like I said, just cook it for 5 minutes. And then this will be done completely. Look at this. The aroma, the smell is just amazing. Of course, I am going to enjoy the fish with homemade tortillas. And you already have this recipe on my channel. I am making the tortillas with maseca. I have my skillet nice and hot, and I am ready to start laying one by one. You flip the tortillas twice, and then they start getting nice and fluffy. That's when you know that the tortilla is done. It's cooked throughout, truly, completely. Look at this. I am ready to plate the fish for the presentation, adding all those delicious pieces and the scallions right on the top. I have a family of 6, but if you have a smaller family, you could add less pieces of tilapia. Look at this. Add all those scallions in there. My mouth is already watering, and I can't wait to prepare my plate. Look at this. I am ready to prepare my taco. I am going to enjoy it just like this. Simple, but yet delicious and scrumptious. I wish you guys were here. I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing fish in 3 chile sauce. This is the part I really love and enjoy. Of course, you could add some rice, Mexican rice, steamed rice, veggies, a salad. But you know something? I am going to enjoy this amazing fish in 3 chili sauce in a homemade tortilla. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Just amazing. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious and amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.